And welcome back. Let's head to St. Kitts, where the Jamaica Tallawahs have been eliminated from the Caribbean Premier League after another poor batting display saw them going down by 14 runs to the Guyana Amazon Warriors in their final preliminary match at Warner Park today. Needing a win to make the top four and advance to the playoffs, the Tallawahs were in full control of the contest, having the Warriors at 42 for 4 before leaving them at 75 for 7. However, a whirlwind 72 from just 31 deliveries from all-rounder Romario Sept turned the game on its head, smashing the ball to all parts with 7 fours and 6 sixes. He added 67 runs with Gudakesh Moti, who made 5, as he took the Warriors to 142 for 7 from their 18 overs after the game was reduced due to rain. Now, Imad Wazim ended the pick of the Tallawahs bowlers with 3 for 15, while Chris Green and Andre Russell had 2 wickets each. Now, with only a victory good enough to advance, the Tallawahs were in early trouble, losing their first 6 wickets for 42 runs. From there, the Jamaican franchise never recovered as their innings eventually folded for 128 all out. Wicketkeeper Chadwick Walton, who had missed the Tallawahs' last 5 games because of injury, scored 20, while Andre Russell made 19. Australian Green gave their team some hope with a cameo 31 from 20 and added 39 runs for the final wicket with Fidel Edwards, who was left not out on 11. Jamaican Dean Smith, who claimed the last wicket of Green, ended with 3 for 20, while player of the match, Sept, had 3 for 31. The victory for the Warriors see them advancing along with the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots and last season's finalists, St. Lucia Stars, and defending champions, Trinbago Knight Riders.